Hello guys, today we're going to change the screen of Nokia 1.3. First of all, we will remove the back cover off. Just use the sharp thin tool. Then remove the battery and then remove all the back screws one by one. Just make sure to take it out the white screws, the one on the top one and one on the bottom side. And remove this tape and disconnect the flex, the one bottom one and one top one. Now heat up the screen. Carefully take off this sheet and now use the sharp thin tool to lift up the LCD. Once the screen is body is clean, then you can put the glue in the corners of the frame. You can use the double tape there as well, and carefully put the new LCD on it. Now connect the both flexes and then put battery in. Now screw it again, bottom part and then the top part, and put back cover on and then turn it on. So guys, this was the easiest way to change the Nokia 1.3 LCD. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.